Well, today we got to work on up because she's been sitting here too long. She had enough time to rest. So there she is. I had to cover her with a tarp and some bricks. She she's a little beat up, man. She worked. Look at that to the day. Look at this. Look at this poor thing. Everything's on top of her. Bricks. That's all right. So I got to remove the tarp and fix the battery wire going to the battery in the front. My wife helped me out diagnose it. I thought it was underneath. It wasn't underneath. What happened is it ran over everything. That's a tough truck, man. You gotta love it. So we're gonna put her back on the road today. So everybody's like, that thing's shot. You ain't seen shot yet. This thing's got a snapped up frame, snapped front frame. I welded the back. It's got a good backbone. I put 2 frames in the back of this. So I'm just gonna remove this tarp right here. I just threw something over her. I know she's waterproof, but it doesn't, it still doesn't need to be. Poor thing like this. Oh man. Poor baby. Starting to smell like an old truck left out in the weeds. Yeah. We gotta take care of her. She's the backbone. She did everything. It's the truck. She ain't giving up. I don't need the animals to be living in the thing. So we gotta help her out. So all it was, this thing's so damn tough, man. Oh man, look at this. I'm gonna go drive it, go get gas for it or something like that in about 5 minutes. This thing's hilarious. Hold on, let me put you right here. There you are. Ah, crap, you fell on the ground. Hold on, I'm gonna get you in a second. Oh, mice. Oh, no. Oh, no, we can't have that. We can't have mice in here, baby. You're living up in here. Crap. All right, we'll get you out of here. Sorry, field mice. Hold on a second. So I just opened the hood and the field mice. Yep, they're living in here. We can't have that. Look at that. Look at that. In the top of that engine, they made a nest already. They'll eat my wires and everything. We can't have that. So we're gonna get it started and get it out of here in the back. So what happened was, here's a wire over here that it pulled out. So we gotta attach it to positive again. And after that, we'll start her up and get rid of that mouse nest, get rid of that home. Damn, this is a tough truck. This is a straight 6 automatic. It's got heart. We can't let her down. We put too much into this thing. So let me go find a connector. Let me see if I can get it around. So hold on a second. That's the positive wire. Yeah, it's just a little too short. All right. Actually, we can put it right here. Okay. So we're gonna put this right here. We're gonna put this right here. We're gonna shorten it, put a connection, put it right here. It'll be on a circuit breaker. This circuit breaker right here is for the plow setup, for the lights, for everything. So we're gonna hook this up and we're gonna back it out of here and get rid of that nest. That's not good. So as I opened the hood, a mouse ran out. He's like, "Hey, get out of my house! This ain't your house, damn." This is where she lives, but we can't leave her in the field no more. It's no good. So let's get rid of the cover. Fuck that. I'm sorry about that language, but we can't have that. This thing's too rare. Have something sitting in the weeds rare. Look at that thing. That thing's a beast, man. We can't have animals live in it. Poor freaking thing. All right, I did too much work on this thing. Let me go find a connector, cut it and put it in. All right, that's a little up. So let me go find some tools, wire it in, get rid of that nest. Hopefully it didn't have babies in her, and get rid of this thing. I mean, put it up front where she belongs. She did what she had to do. So let me go do what I gotta go do. I just picked up a toolbox in Linden, Broadway. Old timer, thank God. The nice Craftsman, I'm not selling that one. That one's gonna go up in this building one day. we're gonna put it up. I'm just waiting for the township and the zoning to get their act together and basically just get their act together. I don't know. I did my thing, you know, and now it's time for it to do its thing. So I got to find a connection, get up out of there. Damn. I left that thing for about a month there, probably. That's not good. So we're in the back there, and I got my pickup there, my 150. So she had to do some work today. She got the engine light on, but that was just a BS code, a catalyst efficiency. Whatever. Reset it, let it go. It's never come on since I own it, so we'll have to look at it one day. But catalyst efficiency means it's just not 100%. What do you expect for 2019? My trailer needs some work too. You know, every damn thing needs some work around here. I gotta get rid of this tarp too. I got tarps on everything. Man. I had this tarp out here to cover it to dry, and then it made it worse. It got more water. So it's just this tarp came from Joe too. Freaking thing's like 50 feet. It's huge. I was like, what the hell are you covering? Your house? Probably. He probably did cover his house. Nice guy, but this, I tell you, my life doesn't get easier, but it might get, I don't know, might get harder. I don't care. There it is, tarp's out. Well, if it's 50 foot, right? We'll put it where the building's supposed to go to kill all the grass. All right, so I got a little hole here too. I put this rickety fence up here, right here, temporarily. I just threw everything there, and I'm making a fence line, a natural one. I'll leave the wood there, and the deer going through that little hole there. At the end, I finished it up to there, and they just sneak through there. So I'm gonna put some brush in there so they won't get through. And then we're gonna put a regular fence straight up. We'll roll one out right where all this debris is over here, and then we'll get up out of there. We got some work to do. So let me get working, and then we're gonna work on the other Jeep in a little bit. We're gonna put the U-joint in, and I got the other part, the ABS ring, tone ring for the passenger side. So we're gonna start doing that in a little bit, but we can't leave up there no more. Look at that poor truck. That truck's tough. Watch this. One battery connection, whoa, mice will be like, ah, my home's moving. It's a mobile home. So let me get going on some stuff, and I'll be showing you in a little bit that dry shaft on the driver's side coming out, and a U-joint going in. I see you in a little while, everybody.